Creating a website using Google Sites is used in Edina apps. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the Edina web page and you are going to click on Students. When you click on Students, you're going to click on the Moodle Edina Apps login. From the Moodle Edina Apps login, you're going to put your username and password into the box up in the top left-hand corner. Once you've logged in, your Edina apps will appear on the right side. Click on Sites. Once you click on Sites, you may see a colored picture of a Google site right here, but you should see a red Create button on the left-hand side. Please click Create and then name your site. So this is going to be Molly's 2012-2013 e-portfolio. If you have the same name as somebody else in your class, you're going to want to make sure that you use your last initial. So I could do Molly S, because you can't have the exact same name as somebody else. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to look down here and there's the word Select a Theme. And when you click on the little black down arrow on Select a Theme, it's going to bring back all the colors. And these are all the colors that you can choose for your ePortfolio or your Google site, whatever you're making it for. When you select one that you like, it turns red. So I'm going to use Treehouse. And then I scroll to the bottom. Down here is a little More Options button. There's a little arrow that's by it, and when I open it up, I have to scroll down, and it gives me site categories and site description. Site categories matters if your teacher is going to give you a category. So for example, I might put in Mahoney space 2012. Everybody in the class needs to type this exactly the same way, so make sure you listen to your teacher to see what they want you to click and what they want you to write in that. It creates a grouping of all of your websites for your teacher. So once you've named your site, chosen the color that you like it to be, written the site category that your teacher has explained, up in the top left-hand corner is the red button called Create. Once I click Create, I can wait for just a little bit. And if my site creates, I know that my name was unique enough and nobody else had chosen that. If it does not create, then you might have to go and choose another name for your website. On the left-hand side, you can see where my navigation is. On the top is my name. And up on the top right-hand corner, I have a couple buttons. I have Edit Page, Create New Page, More, and Share. The first thing to do would be to click on the Share button. This is going to tell who has the rights to edit and change your site. So right now, everybody at Edina Apps, that means everybody in the Edina School District, can find and edit your site. You don't want that. So you're going to click on the Change button, and you're going to probably either put it with Public on the Web, so that's anybody can see it, even your parents or grandparents. It's making your website public. You could do only people in Edina Apps. That means that only people can find and view it if they are from Edina schools. Or you can keep it private. So for this example, I'm going to do Public on the Web and then click Save. After I've chosen my visibility options, I go back underneath the word Manage Site to the name of my ePortfolio or my website, whatever my project name is, and I click on it to get back to my page. The next thing that I want to do is I want to edit this front page. So if I click on the little pencil, I can start typing onto the front page. I can use the Layout button to change the layout into 2 columns so that I can type on one side, and maybe then I want to click on this other side, and maybe I'll use the Insert button here to insert an image if I had one on my computer that I wanted to put there. Whenever I'm done typing on this front page, first of all, I could highlight and I can change the size of my text. I can change if it's bold. I can also change the color of my text. And whenever I'm finished, up in the top right-hand corner, I'll need to click on Save. I can always come back and click on the pencil and edit my home page at any point. The next thing that I'm going to want to do is create the pages that I would want on my either ePortfolio or on my website that I was creating for a project. So I'm going to click on New Page, and the first page that I'm going to write is going to be a reading page. I don't have to change anything else on this page, so do not change the web page and do not change the radio buttons here. You simply name your page and then click Create. It creates the page. It opens it in the edit mode so that I could start typing. It also puts a link on the left-hand side in alphabetical order. So the next thing I'm going to do is up in the top right-hand corner, click on Save. I'll make one other page for you as an example. If you click on the new page, again, I'm just going to type the name of the page, which in this case is going to be my math page. I don't change anything else, and I just click Create. It opens the page in the edit mode, and then I can click the blue link of Save. There are many additional things that you can do on your web page, but this video is just going to show you how to create the website and then add additional pages.